watches him throughout the day. Can't help but catch his smile before he turns away. When she stands too close, she sees his hands are rough and strong, but he was there to catch her, and his touch was soft. Oh, she knows just what she'd say. If she were free to tell him, she would take those hands and say, Cameron, could you be anything I want, anything I need? You may curse and shut them